So in today's video we're going to learn about matrices. So I'm going to spell this first. So M-A-T-R-I-C-S, matrices, or the single is matrix. Okay, so what's a matrix? Essentially, a matrix is just like an array of numbers. So you can write matrix like this, and then you can have different numbers. So it's like columns are most numbers. For example, you can have 2, 3, 5. So let me just write them more apart. 2, 3, 5, -1, -3. Maybe we even have, like, I don't know, pi. So we have these matrices, and then so specifically for this matrix, we have so for every matrix we have dimensions. Specifically for this matrix, we have a dimension of 2 by 3. So what does this mean? It just means that it has 1, 2 rows. It has 1, 2, 3 columns. So it's a 2 by 3. We pronounce this as 2 by 3. We have a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so essentially, and then so we have a 2 by 3 matrix, and then let's just try to describe a few more matrices. So let's say we have another matrix, and then we have 3, -5.13 or 9. So I'm just gonna ask you, is this matrix a 1 by 3 matrix or a 3 by 1 matrix? The answer is it's a 3 by 1 matrix because it has 1, 2, 3 rows, and it has 1 column. So the rows go first. So it's like, so we have rows by columns. So number of rows go first, and there are 3 rows, so 3 goes first. So therefore it's a 3 by 1 matrix. So let's try another example. Let's say I had the matrix 3, 5, 9, 4, 6, 8, and maybe I'll add another column here. 10, -100, or maybe -1001. So what's the dimension of this? Is it 2 times 4 or 4 times 2? It probably would get a bit confusing, but it's rows times columns, so there's 2 rows and there's 4 columns. So this is the answer. So essentially, we gave 3 examples of matrices. So let's look at another concept called the elements. So the elements or the entries of a matrix. These are really simple. This is a really simple concept. It's basically, so we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and these were all numbers. Then A, B, C, D, E, and F are all elements/entries of a matrix. So how do we actually describe where the elements are? So for example, in this matrix, right? Well, let's just call this matrix M. If I call this matrix M, then if I wanted to describe where B was, then I'd first describe the row it was on and then the column it was on. So the row comes first, so we have M1, and then we put a comma, and then the column. So in row 1, which column? Column 2. This is going to be equal to B. So pause this video and try describing, let's say D. So what's equal to D? Well, we go for the row, and then we go for the column. So M21 is D.